Hello everyone, I'm Gonçalo Salado, a multimedia and audiovisual expert with over 2 decades of experience in the industry. Today, I'm thrilled to introduce you to my DaVinci Resolve beginner course. This course is designed to be comprehensive yet accessible for beginners, focusing on the powerful and versatile editing software DaVinci Resolve. In just 7 modules spanning a total of 1 hour, we'll dive into everything from the basics of the interface in Media Pool to more advanced topics like keyframes, transitions, and basic color correction. Whether you're aiming to edit vertical videos or explore other formats, this course has you covered. What sets this course apart, it's not just the content, but the way it's delivered. My approach is hands-on and fast-paced, ensuring you learn practical, effective editing techniques that can be applied immediately to your project. By the end of this course, you will have a solid foundation in video editing using DaVinci Resolve. You'll be well on your way to transforming your video editing journey. So, if you're ready to start editing like a pro, join me in this exciting course. Let's bring your creative visions to life with DaVinci Resolve. See you inside.